Hello and welcome again dear students. It's Deepak Tiwari, your maths teacher, here with a new video of fraction in which we will discuss the multiplication, divisions of fractions and representation of fractions on the number line. Now let me start the video. The first one is the multiplication of fractions. Okay, by using the simple three steps we will easily multiply the fractions. The first step to be followed out, let me take it with the using example. Here multiply 1 upon 2 with 4 upon 3. Okay, now here the numerators and denominators are 1 and 4, 2 and 3. 1 and 4 are the numerators and 2 and 3 are the denominators. At first step multiply the numerators, then multiply the numerators at first. The second step is multiply the denominators. We will get 4 1 is 4 and 3 2 is 6. Look, here the resulted fraction is 4 upon 6. Now if it is possible to simplify this fraction, if required, then you need to simplify it. Suppose 4 upon 6 and the HCF of 4 or 6 is 2 and we will get 2 upon 3. By using simple the three steps you will able to multiply the fractions. Now the multiplicative inverse. Two numbers are called multiplicative inverse of each other if the product of the numbers is 1. Look, if A upon B and B upon A. Okay, then A upon B is the numbers, the numerator is A and the denominator is B. Okay, by simply if we multiply these two numbers of their reciprocals, the reciprocals of these numbers, we will get 1. Simply by taking an example, 4 upon 5 is a fraction. We need to multiplicative inverse of this 4 upon 5. This simply we reciprocal this 4 upon 5 का reciprocal क्या होगा 5 upon 4. Okay, by taking it as the reciprocal we will get 4 5 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20, we will get 21 ja 20, 21 ja 20. Look, we got here the 1. Okay, whose result is 1, the multiplicative inverse will be that. Okay, then the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Simply the reciprocal of that one. Okay, the reciprocal of that one. Okay, now the multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 4 would be, tell what will be it? It's 4 upon 5. Okay, now move to the division of fractions. The first, suppose we need 1 upon 2 or 4 upon 5 would be divisible by 7 upon 5. By taking a simple example, 4 upon 5 divisible by 7 upon 5. With a simple answer, we have a fraction 4 upon 5. Then the steps to be followed out, that to change this is the sign of divide, to change this divide in the sign of multiply. Okay, then after that you need to reciprocal this second fraction. The reciprocal of this fraction is 5 upon 7. ओके, सिंपली क्या करना है, जब आपका डिवीज़न हो तो उस डिवाइड के साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन के साइन में बदलना है और जो उसी के जस्ट नेक्स्ट में यानी जो सेकंड फ्रैक्शन होगा उसका रेसिप्रोकल लिख लेना है. मींस द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स लिखना है. 7 अपॉन 5 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स क्या होगा 5 अपॉन 7. ठीक है, तो पहले हमने क्या किया, डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज किया, देन इसको रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया. देन 5 1 जा 5 5 5 कैंसल आउट विथ ईच अदर, देन इट विल 4 4 जा 4 7 is 7. Okay, then it is the division of fractions. Okay, now moving further, by the simplification of fractions or the fractional problems by using BODMAS. Okay, we all know about that. The BODMAS rule is in the chapter of integers. Okay, same as the BODMAS is required in the operations or the simplifications in the fractions. B, here the BODMAS is abbreviated as BODMAS. B bracket O of D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. By using this simple rule, the BODMAS, we will be able to simplify the different numeric problems related to the fractions. By taking an example, this is the first problem which we have. We have 3. Okay, look, it is the divide. Okay, then simply it is the mixed fraction, change into the proper. 4 3 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay, now 3 2 ja 6 7 upon 2 1 upon 2. Look, here it is the sign of divide. change this divide sign into the multiplication, and thereafter this fraction would be reciprocal. Okay, we have 3 upon 4. Okay, now 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja. Look, 3 is dividing here 3 and 2, 12 both. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. Okay, now 7 1 ja 7, 7 into 1 into 1, the numerators are there, then 2 into 4 into 4 are the denominators, then 7 upon 4 4 ja 16, 2 ja 32. Look, 7 upon 32 is our required fraction, the required answer. Okay, simply I will give you a whole questions related to that simplification using the BODMAS, which is already given in the exercise of this chapter. Now the representation of fraction on number line. How will you represent the given fraction on number line? Suppose we are taking here the 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. ठीक है, सिंपली हमको क्या करना है, बाई रिप्रेजेंटिंग द फ्रैक्शन ऑन द नंबर लाइन we need to draw a straight line. Okay, we need to draw a straight line, then mark the given integers. Okay, 0, first of all 0, and to the right hand side of the 0 all these integers are positive, and to the left hand of the 0 all the integers are negative. Okay, suppose we need to represent 2 upon 5 on a number line. Look, at first you need to see the denominator, which is 5 here. Okay, the denominator is 5, then simply divide 0 and 1. Okay, simply divide 0 and 1 with 5 equal parts. These are the two consecutive integers 0 and 1. Then divide 0 and 1 with the 5 equal parts. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are the 5 equal parts which is equal to the denominator. Okay, then the fractions will be 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, and 1 will represent 5 upon 5. Okay, then we will, if you divide 5 we will get 1. That's why I have taken 1 here. Okay, then simply 2 upon 5, then where is this 2 upon 5? Look, here it is the 2 upon 5. Okay, now same as if you need to represent minus 8 upon 5 on a number line. Simply if you need to represent minus 8 upon 5, look here, it is the fraction which is negative, then we need here the denominator which is 5 and the two consecutive integers, because it is minus here, then we need to represent in the left hand side of the 0, okay, which is a negative integer, then 0 and minus 1. Then you need to represent as and divide the two consecutive integers, that is 0 and minus 1, in 5 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then minus 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5, minus 5 upon 5. Okay, then same as minus 6 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5, minus 8 upon 5, minus 9 upon 5, minus 10 upon 5. Look, we need to represent here minus 8 upon 5. Then where is minus 8 upon 5? Look, it is minus 8 upon 5. Okay, then it is the simplest way to represent the fraction of the number line. Now then move for the further, the addition of fraction using number line. Means if you have given 2 or the 3 set of fractions, then how will you able to represent the fractions or addition, performing addition? Look, we need to add 4 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. Okay, we need to add these fractions. Okay, then how will you represent it? How will you come to the result? Simply 0, taking out 0, then move here. Look, here the denominators on both these conditions are 7. Then you need to divide the two consecutive integers in 7 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then it is 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 6 upon 7, and it is 7 upon 7. Then here it is move 4 upon 7. Okay, having a numerator 4, then start from 0 and move right hand side. If the fraction is positive, then you need to move right hand side, then move to the 4 steps, which is the numerator. So 4 steps, 1 2 3 4, 4 steps. Okay, then it will be represented 4 steps. Okay, then it is plus and the fraction is in positive case, then you need 2 more steps. Okay, plus 2. By reaching 2 upon 7, we need to add 2. Then our current position is 4 upon 7. Then add 2 steps further to the right hand side of 4 upon 7. Then 1 and 2. Here we have 2 steps. Then our final fraction is 6 upon 7. Now if we add this number numerically, we will get 6 upon 7, and here is the current position of us. Okay, then it is the addition of fraction using number line. Same, how will you subtract of fraction using number line? By taking an example, we need to 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 6 here. Okay, look, here the denominators are 6. Okay, then 0 1 2. Okay, now divide the consecutive integers into 6 equal parts. 1 2 3 4, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6, that is 1. Okay, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, and so on. Okay, now 5 upon 6, it is the positive one. Then move 5 steps from the right hand side of 0. 5 steps. Okay, now look, we have minus 1 upon 6. Look, the fraction is in the negative, minus 1 upon 6. Our current position is 5 upon 6. Remember, if we have minus विच इज़ द नेगेटिव इंटीजर, तो जब भी माइनस जाना है तो करंट स्टेप से हमेशा लेफ्ट में जाना है. जब भी माइनस होगा तो लेफ्ट में जाना है. और कितना जाना है? 1 है न्यूमरेटर, तो 1 स्टेप. ओके, दैट इज एरो रिप्रेजेंट ऑफ योर डायरेक्शंस ऑफ मूवमेंट. देन 1 स्टेप, इट इज 4 upon 5. Okay, then 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6 would be 4 upon 5, which is the current position. Okay, simply we have discussed today the multiplication, the division, the BOD mass, the simplification using the BOD mass, and the addition and subtraction of fraction using number line. Okay, that's all for this session. I'll be coming back with a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.